What's the meaning of admission? Admission. 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 Admission refers to the act of allowing someone or something to enter or be accepted into a place, group, organization, or institution. It is often associated with gaining access to educational institutions, professional organizations, or events. The result of being granted admission can vary depending on the context, but it typically means that the person or thing has met the necessary requirements and is now officially allowed to participate or belong. Admission can signify a significant achievement or opportunity, such as being admitted to a prestigious university or being granted membership to an exclusive club.